What's changed in Instagram inside this episode? Hi, I'm Terry Watkins, your Chief Idea Catcher at SpinFrogs, and Instagram and Facebook, being owned by the same parent company, are always changing. This can be really frustrating, especially for a business owner who's wearing all of the hats, trying to do the marketing, run the operations, and do the sales for their organization. So I wanted to share with you something that I've learned recently how to do, because it can really make your profile pop. Instagram highlights. We've all seen these bubbles on Instagram accounts. They show up here underneath the platform. And so today I'm going to show you how to make yours do that, because a lot of times we don't have the time to figure it out on our own. We're just being good enough to show up, to post, if we're doing that consistently at all. So before I dive in and show you how, let me ask you, what's the benefit of this highlight reel bubble? These help you to organize your content, focus your user on the most important aspects of your business, and make your profile look more professional. All of these contribute to your user experience with your brand and translates into brand reputation. What we know about brand reputation is when we have a good brand reputation, we have good client retention. And good client retention means good cash flow. Let's dive in. Pull up your Instagram account, and you are going to click on your icon here in the bottom right-hand corner to make sure that you're looking at your profile. As you can see, you have all of your posts down here and whatnot. Okay, you can see your posts, the number of followers and whatnot. Then you see this little button, it says new, and it's a plus sign. You may or may not have any other highlights over here, but if you don't, you're just going to see this plus button. Today what I'm going to make is a testimonials highlight reel. So I'm going to highlight the testimonials that have appeared in my stories. One thing you need to know about the highlights is it is related to the content that you share in your stories. So if you have not been sharing your posts in your stories, this is not going to work. You want to make sure that you're sharing your posts in your stories, because it's going to pull all of your stories and it's going to drop them in here. So I'm going to select my two most recent testimonial posts, and then I'm going to click next. Now you can see the bubble is the testimonial post, and I can give it a name. I'm going to go ahead and name it Client Love. You can name it whatever you want, but there you go, Client Love. And then I'm going to click add. Boom. And just like that, there it is. Client Love has been added to my Instagram highlights below. Now my profile is starting to get a little bit more snazzy, and it's going to help keep my attention, my user attention and retention on my Instagram profile page. This is going to mean that my brand is in front of people longer, and it's going to create more engagement for my brand with my audience. I hope this helped you today. If it did, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button, because I'm always trying to find new tips and tools to help you become more successful in your marketing. Until next time, I'm Terry Watkins over at SpinFrogs.com. Just reach out if you have any questions that you would like a video about. I look forward to talking with you more soon.